Welcome to this episode. Today, we will take you to deeply explore one of the key technologies in PCBA manufacturing, surface mount technology, or SMT. The SMT process is an advanced electronic assembly technology that replaces traditional plug-in assembly and realizes automated high-speed placement of components, greatly improving production efficiency and product quality. So, what are the basic principles of the SMT process? The core of SMT technology is high precision and high efficiency. By using automated equipment, the SMT process can complete the placement of a large number of electronic components in a short time, thereby improving production efficiency and reducing costs. Next, let us take a look at the key role of SMT in PCBA manufacturing. The SMT process not only enables small-size, high-density circuit layout, but also provides higher circuit performance and stability. Whether it is the smartphone in your hand or the TV in your home, it is inseparable from the support of SMT technology. It makes our electronic devices lighter and more powerful. So, let us pay tribute to those SMT processes that silently support our electronic devices. Thank you for watching. Remember to follow our channel and continue to explore the wonderful world of technology with us.